This is our 1C.0 floor plan here at TriVista. This floor plan is 650 square feet in size. Nice large kitchen here, plenty of cupboard space. All Whirlpool stainless steel appliances. As soon as we entered the front door, to the left here, full-size washer and dryer. And then here we have some extra storage or pantry cupboards. Living room here, large windows, a lot of natural light. Good size wall there, can fit a pretty large couch. We are courtyard facing here. You do get the Juliet door. So you are able to open that door, get some fresh air, overlooking our larger courtyard here. All right. And then here in the bedroom, overhead light with ceiling fan, very large windows again. So good sized bedroom, plenty of space for a king size bed. And then direct access from the bedroom here into the bathroom. So bathroom here, plenty of counter space. We do have the large glass shower. These units are great because they have very large walk-in closets. Plenty of space to put a small dresser in here as well. All right. And then two entrances to the bathroom here, again, from the bedroom or right out back into the living room and kitchen area. And again, this is the 1C.0 floor plan at TriVista.